It's a 2019 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth streaming audio, heated steering wheel, front wheel drive, automated parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection comments, "From the inside out is probably the way that Cadillac would want you to see the XTS, with a swoopier look, softer details, and plenty of smooth contouring inside, contrasting with beveled, tightly fitted metallic trim pieces." For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Take it for a test drive today.